What's up guys, it's me obviously, and I'm making chocolate chip cookies today. It's basic, but my mom was like, some people don't know how to do that, so I'm just making some basic chocolate chip cookies. I got this off of TikTok, just like everything else I bake. They're really easy and really good, like everybody loves them. So I'm pretty sure it's 2 sticks. Yeah, it's 2 sticks of butter. It's salted butter, surprisingly. So I'm just gonna use this kind. It doesn't really matter, but normally it's unsalted and sweet. But one of my next videos is gonna be like baking for She's playing with the frickin' battery. I'm going to bake a bunch for Thanksgiving, so that'll be like a really long video because I'm gonna bake like cinnamon rolls. So yeah, that's coming. I don't know what else I can make because I know I'm gonna make these cookies.
I always wear these boxers in baking videos with a striped shirt.
Life advice, don't flop.
Wow. I don't have my butter.
Half a cup of brown sugar.
Shots of vodka?
It's a full cup of regular white sugar. I'm just gonna do 2 of these. Then we mix in the butter. Yummy.
Judy, booty, banana, banana, banana.
Banana, foodie.
The fruity. Oh.
Close enough. Okay, now you're gonna add 2 eggs. It's not that stupid.
Just gonna look like balls.
No. A splash of vanilla. It says 1 teaspoon, but it says to slightly mix this in. I don't really know what that means.
Mix it ever so carefully.
I should preheat the oven, possibly, you know, maybe. Oh, thank you.
Make your electric
3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Look at that.
Why is it?
Why is it so small?
No, why is it so wonky looking?
Oh, it's, I don't know. We don't use
Wonky.
it. We don't use it, so it's just, you know.
Sounds like Shrek saying donkey.
We drank this really strong coffee. Amazing, immaculate. It's the strongest one. It's like an espresso shot. And we all shared it. My mom just did two things for Thanksgiving, like preparing them, and I'm baking cookies. So. She's opening it like it's a note. She's like, oh, what does this say?
Oh.
Good times.
Yeah.
No, she's just messing with you.
Wait, I'll make a note for you.
Okay, so we're just gonna like do this. You can tell that it's not all the way mixed in. I don't know if you can really tell, but you can still see like the egg yolk because you're not supposed to mix it in all the way for whatever reason. Until now. Wait, read it out loud. She threw a note at her.
They can probably see it.
No, they can't.
No?
Oh, they would probably see the.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you meant her. I was like.
Hey, what's my present?
So right now my mom was telling everybody like each other's presents. Yeah, and Puma wants to know her present. I want to know mine too.
I wrote, Ayo, what's my present?
My mom got me a joke present, and Puma knows it, and it's bothering me.
Exactly, see how much it bothers you?
Yeah. Okay, so at this point you're gonna think you're doing something wrong. I did at first. I literally was like, it's gonna be dry, it's gonna be horrible. But it literally just mixes in, so don't be worried about it.
Soaks it all up.
Yep. My arm is hurting.
I remember you do that, and then there would be Happy Tree Friends playing in the back.
Oh my god. Let me know if any of you know what Happy Tree Friends are. Don't go looking it up if you're under the age of 14. I'm still traumatized. I mean, like, I'd watch it now. I'd watch it, but like...
It's a cool show. I like it.
It just, then I was like 10 and I was so innocent and I didn't even like hurt a fly. So that really traumatized me. But do you remember, if you remember that, you might remember this, when Steven was babysitting us and he told us scary stories. Dude, I did not look in a mirror for like 3 weeks. Like, I'm gonna sum it up. Yeah. Some friends went into a haunted house and they were doing the Ouija board and one of them got really scared and she was recording herself praying because she was so scared of like what the Ouija board was saying. So she went into a separate room and there was a mirror and the camera turned to the mirror and you know night vision, it's like green. So I had a green night light at the time. And this guy tells me that there was a ghost and it possessed her.
Like what you did.
So yeah, that traumatized me. What else? Oh, Insidious.
Oh.
When we watched that the first time.
One time weren't we watching that with like like Claudia and Emily and them and Alex, I think. And it ended and we were all like scared, whatever, and then they told us like something and then the doorbell rang and we were like and like it was in here. Oh. And it was so dark.
Remember that?
Was here.
That hat with the X's on it, and you put it over your face when we were playing 3 claps. That was so creepy. In the freaking dark, and Puma was wearing this ugly beanie. Oh my god. Now you're gonna add the chocolate chips. I don't add that many because personally I don't like a lot. So do it however you think.
It's like the unspoken cookie thing. You took a bite, you have to give us some too.
Oh, so good. Okay, now I'm gonna roll them out, just in case.
I'm disgusted.
By what?
You.
What?
You and your grandpa style.
Look, we just did this on our window. Now we can't see it. For what?
Yes, no, maybe.
Okay, but like,
I'm gonna roll the rest of these out. I'm just gonna speed it up. You can go ahead and eat. Oh, here. This is what it looks like before my family takes them all.
like you said, licked.
Should I put them back?
No.
No? Okay, so that one's like half raw. These ones, I'll cook them more. Okay, so I'm gonna do these ones for 10 minutes or 11 minutes.
No one has to know. They're gonna know.
These are obviously more cooked. You can hear the crunch. Okay. So these are all the cookies. My family did eat some, so this is pretty much what the original plate looked like. Just regular simple chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna put the TikTok in the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.